Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make better purchasing decisions in the world of mirrorless cameras. Today, we're comparing the Sony a7 III and the Canon EOS R10. Let's find out which one deserves a spot in your camera bag. Let's kick things off with the price. The Sony a7 III is priced at $1,899, which many reviewers noted is a significant investment, but justified by its performance. Customers have praised its low light capabilities and build quality. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R10 is much more budget-friendly at $1,099. Reviewers love its ergonomics and ease of use, making it a great option for beginners without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget, the Canon R10 is definitely the way to go. When it comes to image sensors, the Sony a7 III features a 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor that captures stunning images, especially in low light, and many users have expressed their satisfaction with its performance in various conditions. In contrast, the Canon R10 has a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor. Reviewers have highlighted its impressive image quality for the price, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts. While both sensors deliver great results, the full-frame option of the a7 III might leave you feeling more fulfilled in terms of quality. Now let's discuss autofocus systems. The a7 III boasts 693 phase detection points, which reviewers have noted allows it to track subjects with incredible precision. Users have described it as being almost magical in performance. The Canon R10 also features smart autofocus technology, praised for its subject detection capabilities. Reviewers have found it effective for automotive photography and portraits, though some mention limitations with certain lenses. Both cameras excel in keeping subjects in focus, but the a7 III has a slight edge for professional work. Next, let's look at continuous shooting. The a7 III can shoot up to 10 frames per second, which is fast enough for most situations, and users have appreciated its performance in fast-paced environments. However, the Canon R10 takes the lead with 15 FPS, making it a fantastic choice for sports photography. Reviewers have expressed their satisfaction with its speed, making it a great companion for capturing fast action. If you need speed, the R10 is your best bet. Finally, let's talk design and handling. The a7 III is sleek but heavier, which some users found a bit cumbersome, especially for long shoots. On the other hand, the Canon R10 is lightweight and compact, praised by reviewers for its travel-friendly design. Users have noted that the R10 is easy to carry around, making it a great option for those who don't want to lug around heavy gear. If comfort is a priority, the R10 is the winner here. Overall, the reviews for both cameras show strong sentiments. The Sony a7 III is generally seen as a high-end option with exceptional performance, especially in low-light conditions, though some users have raised concerns about durability over time. The Canon EOS R10 is viewed favorably for its affordability and user-friendly features, though some have noted minor drawbacks like battery life and lens compatibility issues. Both are solid choices depending on your needs and budget. So after all that, which camera should you buy? If you want top-tier performance and don't mind spending a bit more, the Sony a7 III is your go-to. But if you prefer great performance and a lighter wallet, the Canon EOS R10 is the winner. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check the description for product links.